friends, Ren and Kimenu here, and I just have a quick little haul. We have Walgreens right here. We have Dollar General here. This is a dead deal, which means that it was working earlier, like this morning, I think right up till about 4 o'clock this afternoon. And then it just died. I think they pulled the digital coupons and it is donezo. As I stated in the video and my post on Instagram, like run on this deal right away because I didn't think it would last very long because they didn't want us to get, you know, $10 of merchandise for a penny each. But if you were able to score this, that's really awesome. If you weren't, the next time. But this is just an example sometimes when you have to really leap into swift and quick action to get a deal. I don't even know if I'm going to go through this again, just other than look at these gorgeous bags. I was able to do it on 2 store cards and I'm pretty delighted with that. And then the Meijer freebie, there was an M-Perk that was loadable on Sunday. I could only find 1 box in the store, and then I found a second box, so I did it on my card and my husband's card, and I was able to get another box of this cereal for free. And we'll talk about that in a second. The weather report for you guys, it's another humid one here today. It is a hot one. And Mr. Pumpkin is right there. He says hello. He's been watching the Olympics and doing some cat stuff. You want to say hi to everybody? Hi. Anyhow, he wishes everybody a really good day. And he's waiting patiently in line for the chow. Want to say hi to everybody, Pumpkin? He's kind of shy. Daisy, want to say hi? Okay. All right, guys. So let's go over to Walgreens. And first thing this morning, I had a subscriber send me a message and say that all of the soap and hand sanitizer that was 75 cents is now, in fact, a quarter. So I was able to get these 2 that include this. It's by this called How to Wash. At 75 cents, I was not going to buy it. This is actually made in the USA, so I was like, oh, you know what, I'll give it a shot. So I got these 2 scents. They had some other scents too, but I just wasn't interested in that. So this one is Lavender Fields and Fresh Lemon, and it looks like a nice type of soap. 12 fluid ounce. The original price point was, I think, like $4.99 for each. So for 25 cents, it's totally a great price point. Okay guys, and where I found this specifically is they have a lot of end caps with masks, hand sanitizer, Tylenol, or the Tylenol knockoff, and this. And that's where I specifically found these at the bottom of it. So they have them throughout the store. It's just like, here's a quick area to get some hand soap and to stay clean and safe. So for 25 cents, I grabbed $3 worth. I used a $3 register reward, and I think I just paid tax. And that register reward, I think that was for the Angel Soft the week previous, so just a smart little flip. Okay, so this deal is a curbside pickup, and I'm just gonna explain what I did, guys. So these are $8.39 each. So for 3 of them, it's $25.17. I put in the code FLASH25, so it took another $3 off. Plus I had an 8 off of 2 and then a $5 off that also came off. So because this is a spend offer, spend 20 on Nexxus, get back $10 in Walgreens cash. I had to use my debit card to pay for the balance. I couldn't use my Walgreens cash to pay. So I paid $10 and some change out of pocket. And then this morning when I went and got my shampoo at the store, I got back my $10 of Walgreens cash. So it basically made it for free after that. It might be harder to find these shampoos that are $8 and some change as a curbside pickup. But if you can try and make it happen, go for it. And if try and make it happen, go for it. And if you want to wait, I know that Fetch Rewards has a spend 30, get back $10 in Walgreens cash, and Nexxus is part of it, and that's going to be starting next week. It's part of the Walgreens flyer, so if you wanted to wait, you could possibly do something with that again next week. But I was just really happy to get 3 of these totally for free. And as stated, guys, this is a little dead deal over at Dollar General. Whenever you get the opportunity for these deals where people are like, run, 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 that is the time to just go and make the deal happen. I know it can be disheartening if you are at work or you just cannot line it up perfectly, because the digital coupon is gone. Even if you loaded it, you can't find it anymore. And I kind of had the suspicion that would happen. I thought it would last at least 24 hours, but they just dunzoed it because I think that was not the purpose of it. But if you looked in the flyer and if you looked at the coupon, it was 2 different promotions, so that's why it was stacking perfectly. So anyhow, it is over. It was really fun while it lasted, and I was very happy to get 4 of these bags. And hopefully you guys scored too. I know that a lot of you scored, and that's why it's really smart that keep your notifications on and subscribe to my channel. So whenever there's a really hot deal, I'll let you know, or on Instagram or here, you know, so you can get in on some of these steals and deals. And the last I want to talk about is the Chex Mix, this apple cinnamon one. On Sunday, there was a free M-Perk at Meijer. If you loaded this guy, you would get it for free. You can do it right up till Saturday. At my store, there was 1 box that was really beaten up, and then I found its sister, another beaten up box. So I loaded it on both mine and my husband's store card, so I was able to get a 2nd box of cereal completely for free. This stuff doesn't expire till next April, so you know, cereal's always a great little thing. And yeah, so I'm excited about this. And it's not, they always do this where it's not just a regular Chex Mix cereal for 12 ounces, it has to be a specific flavor. So sometimes by Saturday, if your store is super couponed or they just didn't have the merchandise, don't be shy to get in touch with Meijer customer service, their 1-800 number, and explain that you could not track this down at your store. They can see that your store card would still have the M-Perk if you loaded it on Sunday, and they might credit you the amount of what the box is. And I think this box of cereal is like $3.49 for the one. So don't be shy to ask. So that is all for this video, guys. As always, thanks for watching. And if you love Nexxus, you might want to do this as a curbside deal. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.